Okay. Doing the second part to this question, it says probability of z greater than a is 0.3802. Now, if you wanted to do this directly on your calculator, you should be aware that your calculator can only read to the left of the line, the area to the left of the line. So if your area is to the right of the line, and this is what this question is about, if this area is 0.3802, instead of doing that on your calculator, you could do two things. You could first subtract this area from 1 and then use your calculator. I go to menu again, I go to distribution, I go to inverse normal, and I put in 1 minus 0.3802. Okay, and that should work. It should give you the value for A, which is 0.30495. I can round that off to 0.3050. 305 essentially. Okay, the problem occurs when you have, let's say, part C, and what you want to calculate is 0.7367. Now, according to the normal distribution, since this value for area is greater than 0.5 and your calculator is only capable of calculating to the left of the normal distribution curve, what you need to do is you will just subtract from 1 and your answer will actually come out to be negative. Let's see if the calculator does that automatically. Yes, it does. So you get minus 0.633.